Call management shouldn't be a complicated task, especially for businesses where calls matter most. Scrolling log history, updating conversations, tracking follow-ups, all manually. A process that should be effortless turns into a time-consuming mess. Want to discover a better way? With KrispCall, the AI-powered phone system, call management can become seamless on its advanced unified Callbox. But before getting there, start by signing up to create a KrispCall account. Claim your complimentary number from the USA, UK or Canada, and purchase VoIP numbers from 100 plus countries as required. Then, invite your team members to use KrispCall on their email and provide them with phone number access to begin conversations with your customers. Clicking on a specific phone number opens up a log panel. Here, your contacts get auto-logged as you make conversations, and the latest one stays on top. Once you select any of these contacts, the screen that opens is your unified call box in KrispCall, and your call management starts here. All your conversations, be it calls, SMS, MMS, and voicemails, this call box stores your history in real time. You can read, analyze, and act on every interaction with all the necessary details at hand. Not just organized, they can even be filtered according to your needs. You can sort conversations by type, ensuring quick access to what matters most. KrispCall's Callbox also offers replying internally to any conversation threads. Just type your message and tag your members to enhance call management with team coordination. Once the deal is closed, you can further manage logs without the hassle of any software involved. Log panel filters let you mark conversations as closed, read, and more as needed. This lets your team manage open and unread conversations while prioritizing pinned ones and ignoring muted ones. Ready to begin? Keep your conversations organized, accessible, and actionable, all in one place. Sign up for KrispCall today and experience a smarter, faster way to manage business calls.